I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm...
Hey everybody, it's been about a little over a week. Day job called me out for a little while, so haven't done hardly anything to the bike. I was able to get the seat foam on there, and then when I put my foam on, I put a black felt over the top of it. Especially the fiberglass seat pan, I like to put the felt over the edge of where the fiberglass is at. That's to help with keeping or reducing the fiberglass from wearing through the vinyl or leather, whatever you're going to use. So that's why I decided to put felt on it. I've done it on my previous builds, but as you can see, seats up there. I got the side panels on, and I got the underside painted black. All in all, the bike is getting there. I got my tag mount on. It's on the swing arm. I just didn't want to clutter up the bike with it anywhere else. I like it a little inconspicuous if it's possible. Other than that, looks pretty good. I don't do upholstery very well. I have done it in the past. I'm not a great sewer, but I'm going to give this one a try. See if it seems to be pretty basic, and I'm not looking to do anything fancy to the seat other than to just put a cover on it. So anyways, that's this update, and when we come back, should hopefully have the cover all done, and pretty much the bike will be wrapped up. I got to put my bar end mirrors in, and I'm still gonna look for some different reservoirs, but that's not stopping the completion of the bike at this point. But here we are, yay. So anyways, I'll touch base when this is all done, and we'll wrap this video up. We'll see you again. All right, ladies and gents, it's all done. I just got a couple little, I'm gonna make some inserts to go in the holes. There's two sets on each side. I left them in the frame because I didn't know how the exhaust was going to be mounted, so I'm just going to make some decorative plugs to put in those holes. But for the most part, there she is. The seat's done. She's all ready to do some riding. Got my tag mount, all that good stuff. So we'll do a start up here. Hold on a minute, I gotta pull in the clutch while I do it. If you're not familiar with clear clutch covers, when you run it and they're cold, you'll get a milky looking oil on it. That's because it's pulling moisture in whenever you first start it in the oil, and as it heats up, then it evaporates and gets rid of the milky look. So normal for a clear clutch cover if you've never had one. But all done. That's the daytime running lights. Put on the regular lights. Voila. The turn signals. Turn signal from the rear. So that's it, gents. We're gonna call this done. I'm gonna do up another video later on with it completed after it gets all cleaned up. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Follow the next build. The next build's gonna be a CB750. See ya.
Stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you,